I'm Iwan Vaughan. I'm a fourth generation farmer here on the family farm at Montgomeryshire at Agri-Academy in North Montgomeryshire. On the free enterprise on the farm, I'm most interested in dairy, from milking, looking after young stock, hoof trimming, and especially of all in the nutrition. During the week I work for Wednesday Group as a dairy specialist, so mainly focusing on dairy nutrition and management. In 2014 I applied for Farming Connect's Agri-Academy. Found applying for the Agri-Academy and especially on the Rural Leadership Programme gave me a great opportunity to speak to new people, have a greater, broader view of agriculture and try and funnel that into my work as Wednesday, as well as helping on the farm at home. Doing the Agri-Academy it gave me great confidence, and I spoke to a lot of mentors which were Nuffield scholars, and this gave me the opportunity to think about doing my own Nuffield scholarship, so I applied and I'm now in the process of finishing my Nuffield report and going forward it has given me a great opportunity. Through doing the Nuffield farming scholarship it has given me great confidence to further my career and look at different aspects of nutrition, because my subject, sponsored by the Royal Welsh Agricultural Society, is looking to increase rumination efficiency in UK dairy production. I would recommend anybody who is interested in doing the Farming Connect Agri-Academy to apply for it. It's been a great experience, made some great friends, and it's been hugely beneficial to the way I want to shape my future in agriculture.